Hello guys, this is Steven. With the development of the fleet management solution, now more and more people concern more about AI driving with ADAS and DSM functions. Okay, today I would like to introduce you our solution of this. Okay, the solution is composed of mobile DVR with AI algorithm built-in, okay, ADAS and DSM cameras, two-way audio, the monitors for the kids. Okay, of course you can collect more cameras to the kids. Okay, now today we mainly introduce you of this. Okay, so this is the mobile DVR. It looks like ordinary DVRs, but with AI algorithm built-in. This is the mobile DVR. Okay, and you can see it is with GPS, 3G, 4G, and Wi-Fi. Okay, and of course you can choose only GPS and 4G only. Okay, it's okay. Okay, and this is the accessory box for it. Okay, with Wi-Fi antenna, GPS antenna. Okay, and we have 4 cables to extend it to a 8-channel mobile DVR. Okay. This is to collect our two-way audio. Okay. And this is the GPS antenna. This is the I/O cable. This is the power cable for it. Okay. The piece. And the rail cover for the MDVR. Okay, now let's look at this camera. This is the ADAS camera. Okay. And you can stick this to the windshield of the vehicle. Okay. And here is the DSM camera. Let's look at it. Okay, DSM camera. And this is the two-way audio. Okay, with spring cable. And here is the vehicle monitor. Okay, let's collect it. Okay. For the monitor, okay, here is the 4-pin collector. Okay, we can collect to the AV out directly here. Okay, let's check it. Here is the video out. Okay, we choose here. Okay, and for these 2 cameras, we use a cable here. Okay. And here is each is 6 pin, and we can use this for a 6-pin cable to expand it to 2 channels. Okay. Okay. And we collect the camera. Okay. The camera here, and we collect the DSM camera here. Okay, this 2. And for this two-way audio, we use the cable to collect it. Okay, and we collect it here. Okay. So for other cameras, you can collect as much as 6 cameras to it. Okay, like this. Okay, this is a brief unboxing of our solution of MDVR with ADAS, DSM, monitor, and two-way audio. Okay, thanks for watching. See you next time.